Hello, if you want to save Pro Mode presets in the camera on the Galaxy S26, let me quickly show you step by step how to do that. First of all, you have to open a Galaxy Store and you have to download the Good Lock application. So we have to go here step by step, get a Good Lock, download this and just click open button. Now just wait until it will open and we have to go for Camera Assistant plugin. You have to download this. Now, what you have to do is just to scroll down and search for that photo Pro Mode. Presets in the Pro Mode. You have to enable them. Click here, and now as you can see, you can find those saved presets. You can, by the way, delete them if you don't like them. You can also share this with someone, or by clicking here, you can just be redirected into the Pro Mode and test if it works properly. But you can click here to create from current settings. So you can set a name and you can set ISO, shutter speed and stuff like this, like you want in the camera. And then thanks to this, it will be visible just over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.